This video walks you through how to categorize credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. Begin in the left-hand menu and click Accounting. From there, select Bank Transactions. This opens the area where QuickBooks Online shows imported activity from your connected accounts, including bank and credit card transactions that still need review. At the top of the page, choose a credit card account that contains the payment transaction you want to work with. Make sure you select the correct account before continuing, since the list on screen will change based on the account you choose. Once the account is open, stay in the Pending tab. This tab shows transactions that have not been fully posted yet. Scan the list and find a credit card payment transaction you want to categorize. Depending on how your transactions were imported, the payment may appear with limited detail at first, so it helps to match the amount and date as you locate it. When you find a correct transaction, move to the Match or Categorize column and click the Select Category field. This opens the list of available accounts you can assign to that payment. In the Search field, look for the credit card liability account that the payment belongs to, then select it from the results. The goal here is to assign the payment to the liability account connected to that credit card balance, rather than placing it in an expense category. After selecting the category, take a moment to review the transaction details shown on screen. Check the amount, the transaction date, and the payee information. This review helps confirm that you are posting the right payment to the right account. If any of those details do not match the transaction you intended to categorize, pause here and verify that you selected the correct item from the pending list. If needed, you can add a memo before posting. Use the memo field to note anything that helps identify the payment later, such as a short description or internal reference. You can also edit the available details at this stage if something needs to be adjusted before the transaction is saved. Keep the edits limited to the transaction information shown in QuickBooks Online, so the final posting reflects the payment accurately. Once everything looks correct, click Post. QuickBooks Online will save the category you selected and move the transaction out of the pending review stage. After posting, the payment is recorded against the credit card liability account you chose, which helps keep the account balances and transaction records aligned. The credit card payment is now categorized and posted to the correct credit card liability account in QuickBooks Online.